Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Government Guru. In this video, we will go through the 49 important general knowledge questions and answers based on general science chemistry subject. So let us start with the questions and answers. Who was the inventor of radioactivity? Option A, Madame Curie. Option B, Irene Curie. Option C, Henry Becquerel. And option D, Rutherford. The correct answer is option C, Henry Becquerel. Artificial silk is also called option A, rayon, option B, dacron, option C, fiberglass, option D, nylon. The correct answer is option A, rayon. The pH of fresh groundwater slightly decreases upon exposure to air because option A, carbon dioxide from air is dissolved in the water. Option B, oxygen from the air is dissolved in the water. Option C, the dissolved carbon dioxide of the groundwater escapes into air. And option D, the dissolved oxygen of the groundwater escapes into the air. So the correct answer is option A, carbon dioxide from air is dissolved in the water. The carbon dioxide is called a greenhouse gas because option A, its concentration remains always higher than other gases. Option B, it is used in photosynthesis. Option C, it absorbs infrared radiation. And option D, it emits visible radiation. The correct answer is option C, it absorbs infrared radiation. Which of the following is the source of solar energy? Option A, nuclear fission. Option B, nuclear fusion. Option C, artificial radioactivity. And option D, X-ray emission. Answer is option B, nuclear fusion. Which of the following is not a metallic mineral? Option A, hematite. Option B, bauxite. Option C, gypsum. And option D, limonite. The correct answer is option D, limonite. Iron nails are dipped into blue copper sulfate solution. After some time, iron nails are option A, dissolved and blue color is discharged. Option B, dissolved but blue color is not discharged. Option C, not dissolved and blue color is not discharged. Option D, not dissolved but blue color is discharged. The correct answer is option A, dissolved and blue color is discharged. The milk is an example of option A, solution. Option B, colloidal solution. Option C, emulsion. And option D, air solution. The correct answer is option C, emulsion. In the process of electrolysis reduction occurs at option A, cathode. Option B, anode. Option C, both of these. And option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, cathode. Addition of ethylene dibromide to petrol. Option A, increases the octane number of fuel. Option B, helps elimination of lead oxide. Option C, removes the sulfur compound in the petrol. And option D, serves as a substitute of tetraethyl lead. The correct answer is option D, serves as a substitute of tetraethyl lead. The main component of the natural gas is option A, methane. Option B, ethane. Option C, propane. And option D, butane. The correct answer is option A, methane is the main component of natural gas. Which of the following is used in the commercial vulcanization of the rubber? Option A, sulfur. Option B, carbon. Option C, phosphorus. And option D, selenium. The correct answer is option A, sulfur. The descending order of the penetrating powers of A, P and Y rays are option A, alpha, beta, gamma. Option B, gamma, beta, alpha. Option C, beta, alpha, gamma. And option D, gamma, alpha, beta. So the correct answer is option B, gamma, beta and alpha. Consider the following. Point number 1, carbon dioxide. Point number 2, oxides of nitrogen. Point number 3, oxides of sulfur. Which of the above are emissions from coal combustion at thermal power plants? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 1 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So the correct answer is option A, 1 only. That is carbon dioxide. Two atoms are said to be an isotope if option A, they have same atomic number but different mass number. Option B, they have same number of neutrons but different mass number. Option C, they have same number of neutrons but different number of protons. And option D, they have same number of sum of protons and neutrons but different number of protons. The correct answer is option A, they have same atomic number but different mass number. The radioactive substance must kept in the container of option A, steel. Option B, iron. Option C, lead. Option D, aluminium. The correct answer is option C, lead. In a dry cell, which of the following are used as electrolytes? Option A, ammonium chloride and zinc chloride. Option B, ammonium chloride and calcium chloride. Option C, magnesium chloride and zinc chloride. Option D, sodium chloride and zinc chloride. The correct answer is option A, ammonium chloride and zinc chloride. Which one among the following nitrogen compounds has the least percentage of nitrogen by mass? Option A, NH4 by 3 PO4. Option B, NH3. Option C, NH4OH. And option D, NH4NO3. The correct answer is option B, NH3. In which of the following silver is not to be present? Option A, Horn silver. Option B, German silver. Option C, ruby silver. And option D, lunar caustic. The correct answer is option B, German silver. Calcium ammonium nitrate is commonly used nitrogen fertilizer because option A, it is a stable inorganic compound hygroscopic in nature. Option B, the percentage of nitrogen is comparatively more in it. Option C, it does the nitrogen fixation in the soil. And option D, it is capable to make the soil acidic. The correct answer is option A, it is a stable inorganic compound hygroscopic in nature. Which of the following is another name of RDX? Option A, cyanohydrine. Option B, distron. Option C, cyclohexane. Option D, cyclonite. The correct answer is option D, cyclonite. The gas which emerges during the volcanic eruption is option A, hydrogen. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, chlorine. And option D, sulfur dioxide. The correct answer is option D, sulfur dioxide. Tetraethyl lead TEL is option A, a catalyst in the combustion of fossil fuels. Option B, an antioxidant. Option C, an anti-knocking compound. Option D, a reducing agent. The correct answer is option C, an anti-knocking compound. Which one of the following is not a periodic property, does not show any trend on moving from one side to another in the periodic table? Option A, atomic size. Option B, valency. Option C, radioactivity. And option D, electronegativity. The correct answer is option C, radioactivity. On rusting in the iron, option A, its weight is increased. Option B, its weight is decreased. Option C, no changes takes place. Option D, its weight changes. The correct answer is option A, its weight is increased. A bee sting leaves an acid which causes pain and irritation. The injected acid is option A acetic acid, option B sulfuric acid, option C citric acid, and option D methanoic acid. The correct answer is option A acetic acid. Monazite is an ore of option A zirconium, option B thorium, option C titanium, and option D iron. The answer is option B thorium. Which one of the following statement is true regarding the aluminium? Option A aluminium hydroxide is amphoteric in nature. Option B aluminium exists in the free state in nature. Option C nitric acid does not react with aluminium, and option D hot and concentric H2SO4 directly reacts with oxygen, in which SO2 gas is released. The correct answer is option B aluminium exists in the free state in nature. The chemical substances frequently used in the fluorescent tube are option A sodium oxide and argon, option B sodium vapor and neon, option C mercury vapor and argon, and option D mercury oxide and argon. The correct answer is option C mercury vapor and argon. The density of the water is maximum at option A 100 degrees centigrade, option B plus 4 degrees centigrade, option C 0 degrees centigrade, and option D minus 4 degrees centigrade. The correct answer is option B plus 4 degrees centigrade. The percentage content of carbon is found to be maximum in option A bituminous, option B lignite, option C peat, and option D anthracite. The correct answer is option D anthracite. Tear gas is option A hydrogen sulfide, option B chlorine, option C hydrogen chloride, and option D ammonia. The correct answer is option B chlorine. The electrolyte used in the car battery is option A hydrochloric acid, option B sulfuric acid, option C nitric acid, and option D distilled water. The correct answer is option B sulfuric acid. The firstly synthesized organic laboratory is option A formic acid, option B acetic acid, option C urea, option D methane. The correct answer is option C urea. The difference appears in the molecular formula of every adjacent homologous member of series. Option A CH2, option B CH4, option C C2H4, and option D C2H6. The answer is option A CH2. Which one among the following can produce light by a chemical change? Option A sun, option B moon, option C electric bulb, option D lighting and thunder. The correct answer is option D lighting and thunder. The molecular formula of the compound whose empirical formula is CH2O and molecular weight is 60 is option A C2H4O, option B C2H4O2, option C CH4O, and option D CH4O2. The correct answer is option B C2H4O2. Thus, Metri wax is extracted from the option A palm leaves, option B roof of honey, option C petroleum, and option D fell. The correct answer is option D, that is fell. the gas releases through the septic tank is option A methane, option B ammonia, option C hydrogen, and option D nitrogen. The correct answer is option A methane. The large source of methane in India is option A the field of paddy, option B the field of wheat, option C the field of sugarcane, and option D the garden of the fruits. The correct answer is option A the field of paddy. The plastic obtained from the polymerization of ethylene is option A Teflon, option B bakelite, option C nylon, and option D polyethylene. The correct answer is option D polyethylene. Which one among the following is a source of methane emission into the atmosphere? Option A automobile exhaust fume, option B industrial chimney, option C mining, and option D wetland. The correct answer is option D wetland. The chloroform is kept in the colored bottle because it directly reacts with air and light and forms a toxic substance, which is option A phosphine, option B phosgene, option C mustard gas, and option D CO. The correct answer is option B phosgene. Which of the following is not carbocyclic acid? Option A formic acid, option B citric acid, option C picric acid, option D tartaric acid. The correct answer is option C picric acid. The methanol is also known by the name of option A rubbing alcohol, option B deformed alcohol, option C wood alcohol, and option D grain alcohol. The correct answer is option C wood alcohol. The aqueous solution of 40% formaldehyde is called option A ethylene, option B acetylene, option C pyrene, and option D formalin. The correct answer is option D formalin. Which of the following acid is to be found in the vinegar? Option A hydrochloric acid, option B citric acid, option C oxalic acid, and option D acetic acid. The correct answer is option D acetic acid. Which of the following acid is utilized in the photography? Option A formic acid, option B oxalic acid, option C citric acid, and option D acetic acid. The correct answer is option B oxalic acid. In urea, nitrogen is to be found in the form of option A nitrate, option B nitrite, option C ammonium, and option D amide. The correct answer is option D amide. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for such more informative videos. Also click on the bell icon for the notification updates. Thank you.